Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine and doing great. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to discuss the optative kind of the sentence with respect to direct and indirect narration. First of all, let's revise the rule, and the very first rule is to remove the punctuation marks and addition of that. Then the reporting verb say, says, said or will say will be changed accordingly into praise, prayed, wishes, wished or will pray or will wish. If there will be would that in the reported speech, it will be changed accordingly into had been. Just to keep in your mind, optative sentences are always wishes and prayers. They may take exclamation mark, so exclamation mark will also be removed. Let's start with the first example. He said to me, may God bless you. Reporting speech is in past tense and reported speech is in present tense. The indirect narration is, he prayed me that God might bless me. May is changed into might and said to is changed into prayed. Rest change of pronoun and change of tense will occur respectively. The second sentence is, the old man said, may you live long. The old man wished that I might live long. Addition of that is there, removal of punctuation marks is there, change of pronoun or adjective is there, and also change of tense is there. Mother said to him, may you succeed. Mother wished him. Mother is the subject, him is the object, so we will write it in the indirect narration as it is. Mother wished him that he might succeed. He said, may God bless you. He prayed for him that God might bless him. Then the next example is, the boy said, may my father come back safely. The boy prayed that his father might come back safely. She said, may God bless you with happiness. She prayed for me that God might bless me with happiness. For me is added and it can be written for your own convenience. The teacher said to his students, may you succeed in the examination. This is a prayer, this is a wish. The teacher prayed for his students that they might succeed in the examination. She said to her daughter, may God help you. She prayed for her daughter that God might help her. The man said, may you win the match. The man prayed for me that I might win the match. You is a second person pronoun. It is changed according to the object. There is no object, so it is me, and we will use I in the indirect narration. Now let's take reporting speech in present tense and change the sentences into indirect narration. The very first example is, you say, may you recover soon. And the indirect narration is, you pray that I may recover soon. You already know that when reporting speech is in present tense, then in reported speech, tense is not changed. The old man says to me, I wish you good luck. The old man wishes me good luck. He says to her, may your son live long. He prays for her that her son may live long. Now let's consider the reporting speech in future tense and change the sentences. They will say, may we get through the test. They will pray for themselves that they may get through the test. My mother will say, may you get success in this examination. My mother will pray for me that I may get success in this examination. The boy will say, may God grant my mother a long life. The boy will pray for his mother that God may grant her a long life. Sentences from direct narration into indirect narration. All the rules are discussed, all the example sentences are discussed. If you have any problem, you can ask me anytime. Feel free to text me and I'll respond. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.